as well as it has given different direction to my life. So because of that, I think I am like this till now. The motivation, these students are motivation for me. Importantly, we are having one important information is after the Golden Jubilee, which we have celebrated in 1970, we have come up with a special website for alumni. So alumni.gec.ac.in. It has got all the option of promoting alumni activities. Mainly, we are concentrating now on connecting the alumni. Alumni have registered to become mentors also. Our students are contacting them online platform. It is alumni can become, they have their own friend groups also. There is like a mini Facebook for alumni. Okay, they can register. Many have registered. Right now, 8,900 people are on platform. Okay, so every year we are adding the new students also. Like we do in third year and final year students, we are adding to that so that they interact with the alumni for job placement as well as for project and any other career guidance also. So I have requested people, I will be sharing the link. Pranav must knowing that.
I am already a member, last member.
So Pranav will be sharing the link where you can directly join the group through your Google account or any other standard platform group. So where you can post the job also, you can refer the alumni also. Recently, today only we came to know that there is the job market reference is more important. Of course, we know that. So this will help us, our alumni, world over. We have spread across the world. I said, our alumni, Anand was at Bermuda Triangle. I always give this example. Our alumni are all not only here, everywhere, even in the Bermuda Triangle. That was my keyword I say. So we are really spread across the world. We have sufficient numbers. We need to engage. We are peace-loving people. We are not disturbing to being in separate groups and all. But yes, when time is required, we are helping each other. I have helped so many. Our alumni have helped so much people who are going for a higher education in Germany also. Okay. There are many people who are in Germany also. Very senior people are available for a job market, references, for startup, for career, and any other requirement. We have a big network. We need to nurture it and grow further. So network, you need to join the network and contribute your way and contribute yourself each other. That is what I need. Definitely we will look forward to have more such interaction with you people. Okay, keep coming to GEC. When you come, definitely things will change. And